Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01758 error in Oracle Database 12c. So here you can see that I have already logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott, which I already created. So here I am having one table called person5. So person5 with the three columns: name, age and employee number. So select star from person5, so contain only one record, and employee number column is null column. Okay, so employee number column having null value. Okay, so now I am going to alter the table. Alter table person5, add designation, so varchar to not null. Okay, ORA-01758 table must be empty to add mandatory not null column. So here you can see that this table is containing one record, so which means this table is not empty. So if you want to add mandatory column, means you should empty the table. Okay, so I am deleting all the records. Now once again I am executing this query. So this is the fix for ORA-01758 table must be empty to add the mandatory not null column issue. So